in Microsoft Edge, you're not only able to add shortcuts to a website into your favorites bar at the top for easy access, but you can also take it one step further, add shortcuts directly to your Windows taskbar or start menu to make it even easier to access whatever page you want, because you don't have to open up Edge first and only then click on whatever shortcut you want. So how exactly do you set it up? Well, we'll be going through the process in this very video. So what you want to do first off is head into the website you want to add, and once you have done that, you want to click on the three dots you see on the top right. Once you do that, you see a long list of options pop up, and you want to look for more tools in that list. So once you click on it, you'll see even more options appear, and there you'll see Pin to Taskbar. So once you click on it, you'll then be able to set it up and make that shortcut appear in your Windows taskbar just like that. However, that is not the only option that is present there, because if we go back to those options, you also see that there is Pin to Start. It essentially works the exact same way, but instead it is going to appear in your Start menu. There is also one more very useful option there. It's called Launch Taskbar Pinning Wizard. So here's what it does. If you have a different default browser on your system, like for example Google Chrome, it will import all of the shortcuts you have in that browser, and then it is able to move them into Edge and into your taskbar. So if you go through the wizard, it will import everything and then give you a list of all of the shortcuts or other main pages it found in Google Chrome or whatever other browser you've used, and then you're able to select which one of these you want to pin into your taskbar. Keep in mind that then they will launch via Edge and not whatever other browser you are using. So it's a great way to import a lot of them at once if you're moving away from a different browser. So that's exactly how you can pin any kind of shortcuts you want to your taskbar or start menu from Microsoft Edge. So hopefully you have found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.